Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Moto G22 and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting. At first you need to open your phone's settings. Now find find connected devices and tap connection preferences. Tap Bluetooth. Disable Bluetooth by tapping the stick. Wait 20 seconds maybe, and then turn on Bluetooth back again. This should fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, you need to unpair your device from your phone. How to do that? You need to, at first tap this gear icon here near your device and find forget button. Then forget device and wait a minute. You can of course try to perform a factory reset on your device so that you are sure that your device is working. Here I've got my headphones and I need to hold my button to enter pairing mode. Once it's done, pair new device and tap your device in the available devices list. This should fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, you need to go deeper. Restart your phone and Bluetooth device. So you can perform, if you didn't perform the factory reset, you need to do it now. Perform a factory reset and turn off your phone and then to turn it back on. So just a simple restart. How to do that? Hold power button and here tap restart. Now your phone will be restarted. Now after the restart, the issue should be fixed. If it's not fixed, you need to open the settings in your phone. Here, scroll all the way down to the system updates. Check if you have any update. Tap check for updates, and if you do have any updates, update your phone immediately. It's because sometimes in the updates there are some bug fixes, patches, etc., and the Bluetooth may be fixed. If you don't, probably you don't because this phone is kind of old, you need to go to the system section, reset options, and tap reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap it. Tap reset settings right here. Remember that you will need to enter Wi-Fi passwords and pair with Wi-Fi networks back again. And of course the same as with the Bluetooth. Probably you don't have anything custom set in the mobile data, so yeah. So if it fixed your issue, you owe me a like and a subscription. If it didn't, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye.